Good day, everyone. So today, we will declare variables with multiple names, differentiate Camille, Pascal, and snake case. So let's start. To declare variables using different naming convention like Camille case, Pascal case, and snake case, you would structure two variables names as follows. First, camel case. In camel case, the first letter of the first word is lowercase, and the first letter of subsequent words is capitalized. And this is the example of camel case. Second, Pascal case. In Pascal case, the first letter of every word and the variable name is capitalized. This is often used for classes or types in many languages. And this is the example of Pascal case. Third, snake case. In snake case, words are separated by underscores and letters are typically lowercase. And this is the example of snake case. Thank you for watching, everyone.